I've spent almost 2 decades here working for LMPD, and this is probably the biggest project that I've seen that shows officers that the community and the city cares about them.
Today marks a historic day in which collaboration between many groups led us to this day of introducing what we call the Summit Wellness Center.
The health of officers and first responders are key to reducing crime and establishing healthy and vibrant communities. When officers perform well and feel supported, they stay to have healthy, successful careers. They recruit new officers who are excited about the opportunity to come and serve the men and women of Louisville. And they ultimately are more effective and more efficient at taking care of the community and the people who live here.
We have prioritized what we call our 5 pillars of wellness. As you look at the Summit logo, you'll see 5 mountain peaks or 5 summits that signify those 5 pillars of wellness. The 5 pillars of wellness that we prioritize are mental, physical, social, spiritual, and financial health. This 3-story, nearly 30,000 square foot wellness center is built to help support LMPD officers and professional civilian staff employees around the foundational principles of those 5 pillars of wellness.
In an amazing public-private partnership with community leaders, we have created the new national model for how to support employee health and well-being. The Summit will house the Officer Wellness Program, which includes our early intervention system, our peer support, our health and safety officer, as well as mental health and counseling services. We'll have full-time physical therapists through our partnership with Pro Team Tactical. We have a gym that has been fully outfitted by Rick Kieber and Planet Fitness to provide exercise facilities for officers to stay in shape. The Sandra Fraser Court is a multi-purpose event space where we will be able to host events like those from our PAL program or just play basketball. A classroom where we will host courses such as CPR, first aid, TACMED, as well as financial literacy classes for both officers and the entire community, where we can make those partnerships and grow those community bonds even closer. We'll have a leadership lounge where we'll have a meditation space, our full-time chaplain. We have been already touted nationally, and all agencies from around the country want to see what we are doing to become the greatest supporting agency for our officers and our community.
This is truly a national model, the first of its kind, a one of a kind, a model for other cities to emulate, to support officers and to provide the physical and mental support they need to do the job. And it's a way for us to demonstrate that we value the work of our police officers and other first responders, and we value the work they do.
As a leader, it's easy to say, this is the way we show our support for officers, but as an officer, it's hard to express how important this is and how really emotional it is to see and feel that support.